In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text on Shopify. Let's dive into the process together, so you can customize your Shopify store just the way you want. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and find the Online Store section. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Themes page, where you can see all the themes available to your store. You'll want to click on the Customize button next to your current theme. This action takes you to the theme editor, which is where all the magic happens. On the left side of your screen in the theme editor, you'll see a list of sections. Keep in mind that every section can contain various elements such as text, images, and videos. Find the section that contains the text you wish to move. Once you've found it, click on that section to expand it. This will give you a clear view of the elements contained within it. To move the text, you'll need to click and hold the text element. As you do this, you'll notice you can drag it around. Place the text in the desired location within the section. It's important to note that some themes might limit where you can place text, so make sure you try different spots if your preferred location isn't available immediately. After you've moved the text, always take a moment to review your changes. You can do this by clicking the eye icon at the top of the theme editor. This preview mode lets you see exactly what your customers will see when they visit your store. Ensure that the text looks good, is legible, and complements the rest of the design. If things don't look quite right, return to the theme editor and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, head back to the theme editor and click the Save button in the top right corner. This is a crucial step, as it confirms and applies your changes to your live store. Now you've successfully moved text on your Shopify store. Just remember, if you ever want to make any changes, don't be afraid to explore the theme editor and experiment with different looks and placements until you find the perfect arrangement for your store. It's all about creating a user-friendly and appealing interface for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.